Stuff I came across this. I don't know where it came from. I don't know exactly what the sensor is, so let me go and do a Google, figure out what it is. It has two wires here, well, two sensing elements, the two different things, possibly heating. Let me do a Google search on the part number, see if I can figure out what it is, and of course, crack it open. This is an airflow meter, and there are two little resistor-like elements here. So let's put it under the microscope, see if we get some shots, see if I can get some literature on how this works before I actually break it open. And then there's a 089 on this thing, so 039, 089, who knows, and then C18. But clearly, metal mold, aluminum, nice little plate there. Let's get a nice picture of this. Let's get some literature on it, and then we'll crack it open. First thoughts before researching, those microscopic pictures seem to suggest some small wire, don't know, maybe nichrome wire, and wrapped around what appears to be a ceramic core that has been resistance welded on both sides to another metal protruding. Maybe there's some tungsten in there, don't know. Obviously it has to be corrosion resistant. So next guess is, let's have a look at the resistance of each of those individual items. Measuring the resistance of each of these wires, as I say, assume it's a resistor based upon a wire coiled around a ceramic core. That's what appears to be from the microscopic picture. And this meter is theoretically a good meter, 200 US gold leads. So yeah, theoretically it's going to give me a very good reading. So let me get the two resistances here. It's actually quite difficult to do this holding the cell phone with one hand and having to hold both leads. So let me put on the cell phone, get the actual values, and just put them up on the screen. Almost no effort. I don't know if the silicone had been old, if it was pried before. I don't know. I just found this, as I said. That was a little bit worrying, but obviously it was sealed, milled silicone, and not bad. I mean, this is a really nice design. It's a nice PCB. It looks brilliant. Yeah, I like it. The four contacts going out, which I assume are going out to those four leads, a little microcontroller in here, some kind of, wow, okay, then it's all potted with some kind of very tacky, well, let's use it with silicone, that's probably about gel, very tacky gel over the entire board. So that is their method of conformal coating. Interesting. One would have thought that they would have made something that got hard and you did not need to do this, or just potted the entire thing with, you know, I mean, clear or some black epoxy, but they have not. And it's a nice little chip there, a couple bars which I don't know what they are, some passives, capacitors, resistors, but yeah, it looks like some diodes there. Interesting. And then those two sets of cells. I don't really think we're going to see more on this, you know. I really don't think much more on this. Could be learned, but let me get the theory of it and see if I can put that up. The theory I found online suggests that I was actually correct on my initial assumptions. One of these things is a heating element, and it basically checks the drop-in temperature that you get from the airflow, and the other one senses the temperature. Basically, you need to sense at the same location, so you have a good idea of what the ambient is and then what drop you're getting. So yeah, not bad for a guess.